Well, good morning, ladies and gentlemen, and welcome to Grumman Pilots YouTube channel, directly supporting the Grumman Pilots Association. And we're getting rid of the safety wire prop on this Cheetah. And since these are fairly new bolts, we torqued them up 10 minutes ago, and now we're going to see if they move any as we recheck the torque. Because the bolts will stretch the first couple times you put them on, but then after that they reach their maximum stretch and they don't stretch anymore. And 5 of the 6 have not moved. Okay, so we're all good on torque. We were torquing that at 43 foot-pounds. The range is 40 or 45. Alright, now let's run some safety wire through. Try not to knock over the camera again this year. Keeping the wires at 90 degrees as I do them by hand. Crossing the 2 wires to get a good grip with 41 thousandths, and then we turn backwards and then do one broad loop, and that runs it all the way up to the top. Cut off about 1 inch of tail, roll it over, bend it, 1 out of the 3 diamonds. By the way, when we move the prop, we always move the prop backwards. And in this case, we have all the ignition harnesses undone and the bottom spark plugs out. Oh, that was plain silly. Got the wrong 2. And then finally the last one. And of course it's going to be the most challenging of the 3. About to get noisy here again. Another engine test. And a choo-choo train. That's a little long. There we go. Okay, and safety wiring on a prop. Now we'll go ahead and put the spinner back on, and that completes up this portion of it. So we hope you found this useful and informative. Take your time, do all the practice your mechanic will let you do, and I tell you, by the time you get to your second can of safety wire, you've gotten pretty good at it. So thanks for watching, and have a good day flying your Grumman.